hat. Huh? That's too hard? You don't like that? Where's the watch? I know I saw that one over here. Where's the shoes? Uh-oh, baby's sad. Where's the tie?
She wants to watch.
Uh-oh, we're gonna see the baby. Where's the mittens? Where's the belt? The belt. Good job. You want to try the socks again? Yeah, you got them right away that time, huh? Where's the scarf? You need that one. Where are the pants? Yeah. Want to try the hat again? No, that one's too hard right now. So, where's the t-shirt? Oh yeah, you need that one. Where's the sunglasses? Heck yeah. Where's the dress? Almost done. Where's the backpack? Okay, last one. Where's the hat? Why don't you want to do the hat? He's shaking his head no. The hat. Yay, fat!